The Holy Stone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone is equipped with a high-definition camera that offers a 1080p resolution and can be adjusted within 90 degrees for capturing stunning aerial views. With a powerful modular battery, this drone provides an impressive flight time of up to 20 minutes, allowing you to explore and capture more of your surroundings. Despite its compact size, the HS440 is packed with advanced features and comes with a convenient carrying case, making it easy to transport and use anywhere. The drone offers a user-friendly experience with features like automatic takeoff and precise hovering, ensuring safe and streamlined operation for creating stunning content. The HS440 includes intelligent functions such as emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold, making it an excellent choice for beginners. This versatile drone allows you to discover new adventures with its long flight time and various intelligent features, making the sky your playground.